Hello, welcome to Havering Libraries. Today we're going to be making a selection of animals, some zoo animals, made with some recycled material. So the materials you're going to need for this craft are some cardboard tubes, some tissue paper, some coloured paper. You're going to need a felt tip pen, some glue, some scissors and a ruler. So today we're going to be making a giraffe, a tiger and a penguin. So the first animal we're going to be making is our giraffe. So first of all you'll need your cardboard tube, so you'll need to cut your cardboard tube. This is a kitchen roll, so if you ask an adult to help you cut your tube down so it's the right size. And then you need to get some tissue paper. So I have some yellow tissue paper here for our giraffe and I've already cut it down. And I'm going to roll it round the cardboard tube. And at the end I've got a little piece left, so I need that to make the ears. So I'm going to leave a little bit and I'm going to roll the tube, and the paper goes around, the tissue paper goes around the tube, and then we're going to use some glue to stick it down. So just put some glue on the tissue paper. And then just stick the other side of the tissue paper around so it's all nicely stuck down. Then you've got your cardboard tube all covered. So to make the ears, you're going to need to make some cuts in top of the tissue paper. So you'll need to do a little cut down here at the top, and then another cut the other side, and then you just need to glue that bit down. So just put some glue on the tissue paper or inside the tube just to make sure that that's firmly secure. Once that's done, you'll need to fold. You need to do two cuts at the front. So the same thing again, you need to cut down one side and then cut down the other. And then you need to put some glue on the tissue paper. And then make sure that's done. Doesn't work the first time, you can do it again. And just make sure that's stuck down. And once both sides are stuck down, you then got these two bits at the side for the ears. So all you'll need to do is just fold those over to make the ears. And you could put a little bit of glue there if you want, just to make sure that's in place. So then just fold it one side, fold it the other, and then you've made some little ears for your giraffe. So once you've got your giraffe shape, we need to put some little spots on the giraffe, so it's got all these little markings. So to do that, you will need to have some coloured paper. So I've got some orange paper here, but you can use brown if you want. And I've just drawn out some little shapes, and we're going to cut those out. And then we're going to stick those on to our giraffe. Something already made. Oops. And then we're just going to stick that all over our giraffe. So what you do is get your glue and you just stick it all over the front anywhere you want to, just as long as you make a little bit of space in between the next one when you stick it down. And stick your spots all over the front. And then you can carry on putting more spots on with Giraffe. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to put some eyes on the giraffe. So to make the eyes, I've just taken some white paper and I've drawn a couple of circles. So I've just used, this is a glitter pot, I've just used the top of a glitter pot to draw circles, or you can just draw the circles yourself. And what I've done is I've put some little black dots in the middle for the eyes. I'm just going to stick those on. We pop those on the top of towards the top of the giraffe. And do the other one. So then you've got your two eyes. And then you just need to make the two little nostrils and the mouth for your giraffe. So to do that, again, I've taken some yellow paper and I've just drawn a couple of little dots at the top for the nostrils and a little smiley mouth. And then we're just going to stick that on. So to make the hair for the giraffe, you're going to need some orange paper, and you need to cut some little snips in the paper just halfway down in order to make the hair strands. So to do that, I've got a little bit of paper here and I'm just going to cut some tiny little strips. Again, you might need to get a parent to help you with this. Part of the way down the paper. And do that all the way across. Until you've got your hair strands. And then what you do is you need some glue, and you put some glue on the bottom of the paper, and then you just need to stick it. Oops. To stick it a little bit further down. Just stick it at the top of the giraffe for its hair. And there you've got your little giraffe.